What's good, YouTube? It's your girl jamieneal shuntèl. It's your girl jamieneal shuntèl. It's your girl jamieneal shuntèl. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new or hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you have a great day. Hope you're having a great day. Or hope you had a great day, depending on what time you're watching this. Before we get started with this video, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at jbtheestallionn. That's also my TikTok, so follow me there. But at the top of the title, we're finna be installing a wig. We're not finna do all of it today. Let's get on with the video.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is never thin. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust.
Half of the head's done. I think I'm ready to be too tight. My head's starting to hurt. I'd be so wiggly if I was bald. Anyways, let's get on with other house head. Y'all, get into the braid. Okay, so my hair's clearly braided. So you know what step is next? Is the ball cap, which I won't be doing today. So, I'll be back. I'm pretty sure I got this stocking from somewhere. I don't know where I got it from. I have actual wig caps, but I think this is thinner. So this is what we're gonna do. Child, come on, this junk a little small. Wait, I saw this one girl do like the wig cap with it with an actual stocking. I'm so stressed with it. I don't want to break a nail. Long story short, reinstalling this wig because you see the lace. I put it in flexi rods and basically it's just like the way I installed it, I didn't put makeup on the lace right, so it wasn't matching my skin color. So then I packed on a bunch of makeup and sprayed, and now it's gunky. Now it's just too much stuff on the lace. So I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna whatchamacallit, I'm gonna clean the lace and I'm gonna reinstall it, It shouldn't be like too difficult to clean the lace because it's just a closure. So it's not that much lace to like clean, I might redo my cap if it comes off. Who knows? Honestly, this wig is too small for my head. I just got a big head. Like, I made this junk and it's too small for my head. Like, girl, why you make your own wig and it's too small for your head? Probably because I don't know the measurements of my head and I just made it. Okay, just slicked, everything was mostly, dang it. My cap got wet. I'm gonna get another one. Most of the caps I have are light skinned. I'm gonna be wearing 2 caps. One of them is just fine, Hold everything back.
I roll out of bed in the morning and put on what I want.
Oh, such a silly goose. It was right in front of my face. Turn off my forehead again. should have slicked this stuff back up too. So if somebody get a little peek under my wig, it's not a party. It's not a party. I don't actually have any wig caps that are actually my skin color. For like, oh dang it. I don't want runs in the waist, bro. I mean, runs in a wig. Oh, I just cut my eyelashes, but that's what happens when you do this. That's why I don't like doing this method. They be making runs. See, bro, all these freaking runs. I don't know how people get their wig caps all the way down here. Maybe mine is not gonna do that. It's not. That's just, you know, reality. Whatever, bro. How do y'all cut y'all wig caps without them getting runs? I know. I'd like to know. Honestly, I'd like to know. Never going after. I'm just gonna do right here because it's a closure wig. I wish my edges. I just wish my whole hairline was like this. And not like freaking this. Like, what? And then I don't go all the way back here. Like, dang, you feel me? Like cut me some slack or some. Or some. Like, I can't even, you feel me? Like, I think it's terrible, bro. Well, let's go in with cool air. Okay, not too much. Counter is very much dirty, very much cluttered right now. But, you know, I don't know if I want to try to get this off with alcohol or Dawn dish detergent. I don't even think there's any Dawn dish detergent here, so we're going to try alcohol.
I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, gadget, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what was happening? What was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage.
Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this wig on my head. See what it like. See what she's giving. Do I even need to put yeah, this wig's definitely too small. It's got some holes in the wig cap. Is she giving a little bit right there? What this hair come from? Hopefully we'll be okay. Okay. So I added a little got to be to the lace and blow dried it a little. Hopefully that'll help the color stick. Yeah, my head's definitely too big for it. I don't know what size cap this is. I think it's honestly I think it's I don't know what it is, child. I don't know. I don't even want to lie to you. I don't know what it is. But I need to go look through my Amazon to see what it is. Okay, so this looks like it'll match, you know, pretty well, pretty swell. I low-key feel like I should pluck some more, though, not gonna lie. Where my tweezers at? Okay, we're gonna pluck a little here. I definitely need to work on the part because the part is low-key like it's giving non-existent. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna get some first I'm gonna mark where I'm gonna put it, because first time I glued it and it was like not even in the middle of my head. I was like, girl, what are you doing? Like, and I was like, girl, I don't even know. So she needs to be right here. Nah, she needs to be a little more over. She needs to be right here. Hold on. Get out the way, you being rude. First of all, you're supposed to be in a ride. Why are you out here loosey goosey? lie. It's the disrespect for me, honestly. Yeah, this is where we're gonna glue her down. Now, what are we gonna use to mark it? Boom. We don't want it to go past these dots. Okay, so now I'm gonna get some wig tape. Oh no, where's the wig tape? So here's our wig tape. We got this from Amazon. Did we get this from Amazon? I believe we got this from Amazon. I only need one piece. First time using wig tape is not in it. It's because I took it off wrong. I should have pressed it down more before I peeled the top off. I took the top under, but but now let's just, you know, put some glue on there. Y'all, I just be talking to myself. I just be having full-on conversations with myself. Full on. And when I say full on, I mean full on. Like, y'all just heard me. I was talking to myself just then. Like, I be calling myself girl and all. Some people say that's a sign of mental illness, but So I put 3 layers of glue on here, but now that I think about it, I don't even think I needed 3 layers because I have wig tape on. Because I saw this one girl do a wig, and she did wig tape and then 1 layer of glue, and then bam. Well, I don't know, she could have did 3 layers because it was TikTok and it cut. I don't know, but I'll be back after this is clear and when I'm gonna actually, you know, put the wig on my head. Oh, girl, chill out, chill out. Not too much, not too much, not too much on me.
Top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce.
Where's my rat tail? Where's my rat tail? Where's my rat tail? I can't run my rat tail. I'm gonna use these tweezers. Ciao. Where the freak is my rat tail? Use this.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, wanna hate this, I'm gonna show up. I don't ever slow up.
I'm gonna let that dry a little. On the end of this rat tail, and try to do a little thumb, try to make some shape. So far it's looking crazy. But ooh, the mirror. I don't want to hear you speak. I don't want to hear you go. Now I'm gonna put this on here so she can do a little melting. I'll come back. Okay, let's see what she's doing. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my edges. They were already curled previously. I don't think I need to curl anything. It's a blacked out blur, but I'm pretty sure it ruled. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I need to redo my edges. I mean, I don't think I need to recurl them. Let me close on my glue for this time. It's right out. I gotta pay another $20. That's fine. But ghost mine used to be more expensive. I bought it, it wasn't, you feel me? I think I'm gonna undo these flexi wraps and just redo them so y'all can see the finished product. If these flexi wraps even gave them curls, the girls, I don't know what they do. I'm gonna put this on my edges because these joints is real bright. These joints is real bright. What's my edges over there? Actually, what are you doing? Okay, I need to go in and get it clean. Okay, let's see what they talking about. Why aren't they like giving the same thing? It's making me mad. I'm just kidding, guys. It's not making me mad. It's just making me a little frustrated, just a tad bit. You know? Okay, I'm missing it. Now we're gonna do this. I'll be back in I don't know how long. Okay, so first of all, you need to stay up there where you're supposed to be at. Like, not you disrespecting me in my own house. Am I on slow-mo? Oh, nah, true. I'm addicted to your ecstasy, yeah. I don't want the edges to be the same color as my skin, you know. But they're a little too like choke. You know, they're not like, they're a little too like choke. And they're not the same. Like, they need to be like, I should have reflat ironed it, honestly. There we go. I think they're the same now. Honestly, I don't think my wig is like in the middle. It needs to be over like that. But what can you do? Once it's glued down. I'm reloading. I'm just chilling. I'm gonna walk upstairs. Hey, somebody in this room. Like, what can you do? Honestly, what can you do? Okay. What can you do? Like, it's really nothing you can do. What can you do? Who are you though? Y'all see this like hair right here? Who are you? What are you doing? Ariana, what are you doing here? It's always to lose hers. Okay, now I'm gonna get a little bit of these here. Yeah, we're gonna try. Honestly, I really need color makeup. I don't have that, so we gotta wear big what we got. Oh, I'm not messing with these edges, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I don't know what about them. It's not giving, but it's something alright. It's something alright. What is it? I think it's just this one. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we need to get the hot comb, wax stick, and mousse. Hot comb, got this from Amazon. Wax stick, got this from Amazon. Mousse. I might have got this from Amazon, honestly.
You sound like me, gang. I'll put you on.
I'm finna plug my hot comb up though.
My decision. Oh, bruh. What led you to believe that? Cat.
I think I just messed it up. Oh no.
Who told you that?
I'm sorry, y'all. I sing too much. Okay, actually I'm gonna spray this with a little water.
Chat it right there. Chat description.
Why would you do that, Jamie? You're finna use your hot comb on it. Girl, I don't know, but this is good. I look good. I look good. Okay. I'm actually gonna separate the curls and, you know, make it a little lively, you know?
Oh my god, I'm dead.
I should have did more hair for the front piece. I want more volume right here because this looks weird as freak. Because this is side part and it's a curly side part and it's flat. That's weird. That's weird. That's weird. I definitely need to do actually because no, this is the front, this is the closure. I can't do that with the other hair.
I don't want to trust, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you.
I'm gonna get a little piece from over here out of there because that was like, look like it's longer and this hair is literally so beautiful. And I bleached it. Like this color is from bleach. I didn't dye it. But look at this. I didn't even turn it on. I'm over here. Girl, it ain't even on. It's not hot. There we go. Now it's on. Now it's on. But I'm gonna spray right there. Certain things for any reason. The front curl, this curl is definitely giving. Like whatever I did for this joint. Y'all. Yeah, this looks so good. Let me get this wax stick. Basically, I just need to work on how I curl it. Like the back definitely needs more curls like at the top, but I'm done. I look good, y'all. And then I did my nails. But this is the video. Thank you so much for liking. Don't forget to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you're not subscribed at this point, what are you doing? Big question mark. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at jbtheestallionn, all lowercase jbtheestallionn. And yeah, bye guys.